The bail given by the High Court to the Kuldeep Singh.
बिल्कुल हम नहीं डरते, हम बेटी के साथ कंधे से कंधा मिला के।
As you know, you only said that the High Court has granted bail to Kuldeep Singh Sengar. On what grounds? When he is declared that he has committed rape, he has committed murders, the sentence, life sentence usko di gayi thi, to fir why is he out? Our question is, how safe can the victim feel? How safe we as women can feel? Is this set as an example? Like you are saying that you can rape and easily roam on the freely on the roads, then we are not feeling safe. So our demand is that the rapist should go behind the bars. Uski jo saza hai, usko wo milni chahiye. That is very well the life sentence, and ताकि victim भी है वो safe feel करे और हम लोग as women भी safe feel करें.
As per 2019 rule, there is another argument that he has completed the 7 years of jail.
So you mean to say the courts mean to say that if he's completed the 7 years of imprisonment, so is that enough? So now he can come out and again rape. He can rape a child. He can rape an elderly woman. He can rape anyone. So फिर उसको अंदर डाल देना, 7 साल की सजा काटेगा और फिर बाहर आ जाएगा. Is it enough? जब उसको लाइफ सेंटेंस दिया गया था तो why is he out? We are not feeling safe. The victim is not feeling safe. Our demand is simple that he should go behind the bars.
And do you think that there is a political backing behind this, behind the Kuldeep, especially because he belongs from BJP?
I don't know what to comment on this, but definitely it feels like a political backing up because otherwise ऐसे उसको बेल मिलने का कोई मतलब ही नहीं बनता था. तो कोई ना कोई रीजन है जिसकी वजह से आज वो बाहर आया और वो रीजन हम लोगों को अननोन है. हमें सिर्फ इतना पता है कि उसको वापस जेल में जाना चाहिए. That's it.